Hello everyone and welcome to your 6th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Interface Description Part 2. In this tutorial, we will learn more about the interface and we will get to know more windows and we will get to know more about this software. In the last tutorial, you got to know about the source window. So let's continue on from there. If you see over here, if we just collapse the source window, on its right we have the playback window or the program panel. Now this program panel previews the footage that is being currently played. So the source panel on the left that previews the footage, and we can edit and work on the footage before adding it to our sequence, and on the right the program preview panel that previews and enables us to view our project after being added into the sequence. So that is the basic difference between the two windows. Source window for before we added the clip and program for after we added a clip into the sequence. Moving on down to our lower left, we have the media browser. Now this media browser helps us to import all the files directly from over here. So this enables a fast importing and working in our software. For example, if we want to import files, then we can select any of the drives over here and then find the media that we need to import. We can select it and then import it. We will be importing files and knowing more about it in the later tutorials. Over to its right is the timeline panel. Now this timeline panel shows us the number of tracks we have. The video tracks are over on the top, video 1, 2 and 3. Audio tracks are on the bottom, audio 1, 2 and 3. These are the tracks. In this software, since it is a non-linear editing software, this basically works on track system, and then the media can be added over here in a single track or in the multiple tracks and then view it in our program panel. This what you see over here is the timeline, and this is showing the time code that we set up. So what we see over here is the time code of our current time indicator, that is the point of time at we are at currently. So this CTI or the current time indicator indicates the time we are at currently. If we move that, our time code changes because we are moving in the current time. For example, if we are at 15, that means 0 hours, 0 minutes, 15 seconds and 0 frames is our current time at we are at currently. So these are the basic windows that come in use. In the next tutorial, we will go into a little bit more detail on our interface and we will know about the workspaces. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.